In our last video, we walked through the simple steps for saving with Common Energy. You sign up with your utility account. Common connects your account to a new clean energy project. This project generates an energy credit, and 10% of this credit goes into your pocket, saving you money every single month. Now, because this is new, I'm sure you have some questions, and that's totally okay. So in this short video, I'm going to go through a few of our most frequently asked questions, and hopefully this will answer your questions. And if it doesn't, no big deal. Simply call me or text me, and I'm sure I'll be able to help you. Okay, let's get started. How am I able to save? Many states have created incentives for the public to support more clean energy. In addition, the cost of solar energy has fallen so much so that in many cases it now costs less than other energy sources. Is there any impact on how my electricity is delivered? No, absolutely not. You will continue to receive your energy from your utility or third-party supplier, exactly the same as happens today. This is the best part of the program. We have no impact with your agreement with your utility or supplier ever. How long does it typically take to be connected to a solar farm? This is a very common question. It takes 1 to 2 billing cycles or 4 to 8 weeks. This is done in communication with the utility, so depending on your billing cycle, this time can vary. And obviously, the solar farm has to be active. So if it's not active, you have to add that time for it to be active, plus the billing cycles. Who will I pay each month? Each month, you will receive a statement of savings from Common Energy and pay Common Energy. Common Energy will pay your utility on your behalf. The only difference is that you will pay less. On what portion of the bill do customers save? Depending on the utility, if the utility splits the usage between supply and delivery, the customer will receive a credit on both supply and delivery. You will always be saving on supply and delivery. Am I really supporting clean energy? Yes, by signing up, you are enabling new clean energy projects to be built and connected to the grid, directly lowering emissions in your community. You save and also benefit your community. Is there a cancellation fee? Absolutely not. There is no cancellation fee for ending service with Common Energy. We simply ask that you give us 90 days notice for any cancellation. Yet another benefit of signing up for Common Energy. There's no risk. When do you pay my bill? We pay your utility bill on the due date with the utility. The utility will send an invoice to Common Energy, and we in turn will send a Common Energy statement of savings to the customer. 10 days later, we pull funds out of the customer's account, which pays for the credits. What does the customer do in the event of a power outage? The customer still has a relationship with the utility, so they should continue to communicate with them related to any outages. Can I just pay by check? Why do you require a bank account? We do automatic payments for our customers because this is the fastest, easiest way we can pay your utility. Your utility needs to receive a payment as quickly as possible in order for us to provide you with a 10% savings, and the developer of the project needs to be paid as well. Who is eligible for Common Energy? All renters and owners of residential accounts can sign up, along with any small business that has a non-demand meter. Demand meters are not applicable for these projects. There are a few exceptions to this rule. So if you're in New York and you have a CDG account on the meter, so Community Distributed Generation, CDG, then you can't actually get community solar. That means that you probably have rooftop solar. Now, if you have community solar, you can't get rooftop solar. So you can only have one CDG per meter. The other exception is that meters that have less than 1,000 kilowatt hours per year are also not accepted on these projects. But those are the two minor situations that you probably won't encounter too often. And that's it.